Yeah. Toro in the building again, man. Just playing some NBA 2K16. You know what I mean? Uh, I think I should start commentary and being more of a commentator as I play. I mean, it is what it is, though, man. You know, shit. I may or may not say some stuff. I may say some stuff. I don't know. This fake Legend 5 over here with this cyberface dude. 7'7", probably a damn power point guard. Watch how he move. What you call a forced turnover right there. Screen that nigga. Ha! Set a screen on that nigga. Ha! Screen that nigga. That was good shit. He didn't know. He didn't know what happened. Wow. Died. Jab. Jab City. Good shit. Why you foul him, man? We could have got him shot clock violation. Now we gotta give him a fresh 24 and shit. Jab. Jab City. These niggas, man, this hacked up dude. This dude is weak as fuck. Man, you gotta be that big and that fast in order to win a game. You suck. Jab. That was good ass ball movement. Look, he that fucking big. He ain't missing the cup one time. All he wanna do is shoot. He weak as fuck. You're that fucking big. Now you want to do is shoot jump shots. Nah, you're weak as fuck. Work the shit out that nigga. I taunt hack niggas. Taunt them weak ass hacked up niggas.